Hello! In this video, I'm going to talk about the content modules of the course, how they're organized, and what sorts of activities you will be doing within them. As I explained in the main features video, the course is divided into modules. There's an introduction module, 5 content modules, and a wrap-up module. It's in the 5 content modules that you will be doing the bulk of the course work. So let's talk about what is in each one of those content modules. Each of the 5 content modules contains the same types of activities. First, there is a video that you watch, which will provide you with information about the time period and regions that that content module is covering. As you watch this video, it will pause occasionally and ask you a question. The questions will be multiple choice and based on the information that you just watched. You'll answer the question and then the video will continue. When the video ends, it will tell you how many of the questions you got right and how many you got wrong. In order to satisfactorily complete a video quiz, you do have to answer all of the questions correctly. But no worries, you'll be able to rewatch the video and retake the quiz as many times as you need to in order to get a 100% score. Next, there will be some content module activities. Each content module is going to have one of each of these types of activities. One activity is a Glorb the Alien activity. This is where you'll take on the persona of an alien, an extraterrestrial named Glorb. You'll watch something, usually a video or two, about a particular period of time, and those videos are going to simulate this extraterrestrial visiting the Earth during that period of time and that particular region. And then your job will be to create a report from Glorb about that particular place and time. The second type of activity in each content module is a primary source role-playing activity. I'll give you some kind of primary source. A primary source is something that comes from the people and time that we're talking about. So some sort of document that they produced, or a physical artifact, or a picture of an artifact, something like that. So I'll provide you with a primary source, and then you will create some role-playing scenarios using the information in that primary source. So for example, if I were to provide you with some of the laws of Hammurabi, then you would create some role-playing scenarios of people who lived at the time that those laws were in force, what their lives would have been like, things that they might have encountered, that sort of thing. The third kind of activity is an AI analysis activity. You're going to use some sort of generative AI tool, like ChatGPT, to create information about something. I will give you that topic in that period of time and region. So you use an AI tool to create information, and then I'm going to provide you with a scholarly article that you will read about that same topic. And then you're going to tell me how good of a job that generative AI tool did creating information based on what you read in that scholarly article. After you watch the video and take the video quiz, and then after you complete whatever activities you're going to do for that content module, the module will end with a self-assessment survey. This is a survey that you're going to take that will just ask you to reflect on what you learned in that content module. I'll ask you a lot of questions about how your skills have developed, what you've learned about world history, and what sort of ways you yourself personally have changed, how you've been able to personally apply the information and your learning to your own life. I'll also give you an opportunity to give me feedback on how you think that module was structured, what you thought of the activities, what you thought of the videos, that kind of thing. And then that's it. So each content module has those 3 things. And then once you finish those things, you are done with that content module and you can move on to the next one.